Latest on Projan Media TV. 5 dead, 8 injured in a pickup car accident that turned around in Chengegwa district. Hello, welcome, and thanks for joining us live on Projan Media TV that brings the latest news and the latest updates in the country and across the world. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do, and don't forget to turn on the notification button. Well, let's take more look into some of these details. 5 people perished and 8 were injured after they got involved in an accident along Chengengwa Mubende Road. Eyewitnesses say the driver of double cabin pickup swerved to avoid knocking a motorcycle and ended up crashing into a commuter taxi. The accident happened at around 9 a.m. in the pickup, rounding into a commuter taxi and turned several times, leaving 4 dead in an immediate effect. And using the police WhatsApp platform, he confirmed, as the police spokesperson for Rwenzori, Vincent Testwesije, confirmed that 4 people died immediately, with the 5th passing on along the Mubende Referral Hospital. The injured persons are admitted at Mubende Referral Hospital. They were first taken to Chengegwe, where the doctors said to the sources that they were having less treatments, they were out of treatments to work on the persons who are injured. So after that, they were referred to Mubende Referral Hospital, where they could be getting treatment. In the spot, in the scene of the accident, 4 were confirmed dead, as others were still in a very critical conditions, rushed to the hospital, and when taken to the hospital, that's when the 5th number passed away. According to the information from the eyewitnesses, she said the taxi must have collided or overturned due to the overloading, because she tried to board, though she had seen people many in the taxi. That's when she decided to step back and take a border. Just immediately after some minutes, she heard the taxi was turned down and the pickup lost so many. Well, that is it for now, and thanks for watching Projan Media TV. May the soul of the deceased rest in peace, and kindly don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button. And if you have subscribed, kindly, we are so grateful, and thanks you so much for always passing by and have a look at our trending stories. Once again, thanks for watching Projan Media TV.